From the heart of Cajun country, Morty Pete here to introduce the Cajun Cleaver. With its razor-sharp stainless steel blade and scratch-resistant board, you'll slice through sausage, power through potatoes. The Cajun Cleaver does it all. It's your one-stop shop. Running late, the Cajun Cleaver will even power through frozen foods like chicken, sausage, ribs. With its built-in easy ruler, you'll cut perfectly cut portions every time. It's fantastic on fish, terrific on tomatoes, cut carrots, cabbage, squash, zucchini. The Cajun Cleaver cuts it all. With its patented safety lock features, it's easy to use, easy to clean. It disassembles in seconds. It's dishwasher safe. It's simply Cajun.